Hi to all, this is Nikhil. Today we are going to unbox a Whiff culture and their decanters. I have ordered almost 11 different famous perfumes. Let's see how they're packed, how they send the box. Let's begin. So this is the box. You can see over here Whiff culture and Faridabad, and they're delivered. You can see the box. I have not opened anything yet. From outside it is quite good package, and yep, let's open it up. You can see that I have not opened anything yet. Okay, so I'm opening it up from this side. So they packed another pack also inside. Okay, so there is some bubbles of things are there. It is two kind of things over here. You can see it. One by one I will take it out and I will keep it one by one here. So they packed well. You can see over here they packed very nicely, and the bottle is this decanter. I feel like this is glass, and top one is plastic. The last one. Okay, so here we are with 11 everything is packed well. Okay, let me check the Okay. Everything is, there is no any kind of leakage, I believe. There is no any kind of leakage. Now let me open. Yep, good. It's a nice spray. This is plastic and this is glass. Nice. Hope they packed well and I got it in a nice way. And let me try how is it. So the vendor name is Whiff Culture. You can try for it. And this is 8 ml package. You have different packages related to these things are there. So till then, thank you. See you next video. Bye.